Hello everyone, welcome to TTU Tech Zone for Freshers, and here is your LWC question. Okay, so what are the reactive properties in LWC and how do you make them reactive? Okay, so reactive properties are those that automatically update the UI whenever there is a value change. Okay, you don't need to manually refresh it every time. Okay, and so how you make them reactive? So basically, we do it through the three decorators, that is at the rate track, at the rate API, and at the rate wire. Okay, so let's see it with the help of example how it works. Okay, so starting with at the rate track. Okay, so it is used for the private reactive properties, mainly for objects or arrays. So when the inner value of these changes, the component automatically re-renders. But after Spring 20 release, all primitive fields are reactive by default. So at the track is mostly needed for the nested object and the arrays. Okay, so here you can see in the example, here it is at the rate track user, and then there is a name TTU, and then we have updated this name, but this is array, so we have particular updated the name, that this dot user dot name, then we have changed this with Akansha. Okay, so this auto update because of the at the rate track. Let's see the next one, that is at the rate API. Okay, so at the rate API, it's used to expose public property or method so that parent component can pass the data to the child component. Okay, so in the example you can see, like we have written this is a child. Okay, JS. Okay, and we have written here at the rate API message. Now this we are going to use it in the parent component. Okay, so in the parent component we have a part is there where we have mentioned this calling this child component. Okay, and we have passed this message in there. When we call this from the parent component JS, then this message will be displayed like hello from parent. Okay, so and the third one is the at the rate wire, used to connect your component to the Salesforce data or Apex method. When the wired data changes, component re-renders automatically, making it reactive to the Salesforce update. So okay, for this first we need to import the method from the class. As you can see it here, from here it is import, then it's a method name get record from Lightning UI record API. Okay, so in this way you can import your method from the class. Okay, and then further you can use at the rate wire with the method name and the method parameter. So method name is get record, and then we are passing this record ID with the dynamic value. So this is how wire works. And for more such question, don't forget to subscribe T2 Tech Zone for freshers.